G'day, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is how to do a thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the timer for your Panasonic heat pump or air conditioner using the remote control. Now you can set up your timer to turn on and off for 2 separate times in the day using the remote control. However, this will only control the timer function with whatever last used settings your heat pump was on. For example, if you had it in heating mode when you last used it at 20 degrees, then it will turn on at the same settings. If you change it in any way while you're using it, then whatever mode and temperature settings you had when it turns off will be what it will be set up when it turns back on again. If you want to set up a more comprehensive climate control program with timers, then you'll need to do so using the Panasonic Comfort Cloud app on your phone or tablet. So let's set it up using the timer on the remote first. First, you'll need to turn your unit on with the remote. Then use the mode button to set a function for either cooling or heating or whatever mode you want it to use when it switches on. Next, set your temperature, then your fan level. And lastly, your air swing mode. Personally, once I've set the temperature, I usually just set the fan and air swing to auto. Now it's time to set the actual timer. Press the timer on button and adjust the time you want it to turn on. Then press set. Next, press the timer off button and adjust the time that you want it to turn off. Then press set. Then turn the unit off. The power LED will go off, but the timer LED will turn orange, so you'll know that there's a timer in place and it's ready to go. The remote will also display the on and off timer that you've set. And that's it. Remember, if you change any settings on your heat pump while it's on, then the timer will turn it on with whatever these last used settings were. If you're looking for more information, check out Panasonic.com or check out some of our other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you next time.